Very good morning. Today we'll solve one problem on set square. Let us take this problem. A 30 degree, 60 degree set square of 60 mm longest side is so kept such that the longest side is in HP, makes an angle of with VP. The set square inclined at 45 degree to HP. Draw the projections of the set square. So it's a set square and is saying longest 60 mm is resting on HP and makes an angle 30 degree with VP, and set square itself is inclined at 5 degree to HP. So draw the projection of the set square. So we need to draw the top view of the set square. It's a 30 degree, 60 degree set square. Let us see how to construct front and top view of the given problem. First, let us go to sheet setup. I'll do sheet setup. Go to sheet setup. Select A4 size sheet. Background option set as default and OK and fit the sheet. This is the you need to do in SolidEdge software. So then next one is I will draw XY line. Let us take a line and the thickness. Let us choose a thin line. Let us take a 0.13 mm. I will draw an XY line. I'll draw an XY line. Now mark X and Y, go to text, and here choose Times New Roman, font is 3.50, and this is X and this is Y. So mark VP and HP, VP, VP and HP. So now just hold the X button, hold the X and drag it here. Hold Y and drag it here. Similarly, VP, I'll keep VPs here. This is VP and now let us draw set square. I'm saying longest side, 60 mm is resting on HP. So I'll keep longest side. Select a line and it is let us take a thick line of 0.50 mm. Now I'm constructing a line of 60 mm, which is given in the problem. 60 mm and it's a vertical line. So now you need to draw a line given inclination. One is 30 degree and another one is 60 degree. Let us draw 30 degree line. So select the endpoint of this line. So now I'm constructing 30 degree inclination line. So let's take so length, I'm not bothered about length, directly enter the angle. Angle is minus 30. And another side, 60 degree. Again, select endpoint of this line. Just give the angle is 60 degree. So now I'll trim the extra line, unwanted lines. So go to trim. And trim these two lines. So this is my set square. Now go for naming. Go to text, Times New Roman and font size is 3.50. Let us take A. This is my corner B and this is corner C. This is my corner A. This is my corner B. This is my corner C. And this length is 60 degree, which is given in the problem. This is 60 degree. And just measure the angles. So the angle between this and this and this angle is 60 degree. This and this angle is 30 degrees. 60-30 is given. Now draw the vertical projection line. Now this is the top view of the set square in the first position. Let us draw the vertical projection line to get the front view. So select a line of thickness 0.1 from corner A. Draw vertical projection line so that will intersect the XY line. From B, draw vertical projection line that will intersect XY line. From C, draw vertical line that will intersect the XY line. Now, front view in XY line. So let us now I construct a front view, select a line, it is visible. So I'll choose 0.5 mm. So from here to here, this is the front view. Next, go for, so observer is looking from this side. A is corner B is visible and A is not visible. So I'll put A dash. This is B dash of A dash. This is B dash of A dash. Now this is C dash. C dash. Let us arrange it properly. So this B dash of A dash and this is C dash C dash. So this is the first position of the set square. So in the second position, so set square itself is inclined at 45 degree to HP. Now draw a 45-degree inclination line. So now I'll go to more option. I'll go to more option. Switch off this. Switch on this copy command and select this line front view. Select this point. You place it somewhere here at any convenient distance. So now you need to rotate. Let's rotate this one. So go to rotate option. So here you have rotate option. Copy should be off. Select the element to rotate. I'm rotating this one. So this is my start point and this is my end point. I'm rotating like this. The inclination angle is 45 degree, which is mentioned in the problem. So it's a 45. The rotational angle is 45 degree. So rotated at an angle of 45 degree inclination line. Okay. So now just measure the angle. So angle between, measure this and this. It is 45 degree. Now let us draw the top view in the second position. So now draw the projection lines. So select a line, and it is a very thin line. See from A dash of B dash, I draw an vertical downward projection line. Similarly from C dash, I draw a vertical downward projection line. So now here from corner A, I draw a projection line till it will intersect A dash line. Then from B, I'll draw a horizontal projection line. It will intersect B dash. B dash projection line. From C, I'll draw a horizontal projection line that will intersect C dash projection line. Now complete the profile. So go to line and select the thickness is visible. Is visible? So I'll choose thickness is 0.50. So now A, this is the corner A. This is corner B. This is corner C. This is corner B. Next, go for naming. So better you can remove unwanted lines. I don't want these extra lines, unwanted lines. Just try to remove these unwanted lines. Now go for naming. So this is, so go to text, and this one I'll call it as A. This one is B. This one is C. This is my A. This is my B. This is my C. So now go to the next position. So in the third position, so is saying longest side which is resting on HP is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. So show the inclination with respect to VP. So now I'll draw an inclined line, 45 degree inclination, 30 degree inclination line. Select a line and select a thin line. Draw one 30 degree inclination line. So I'm constructing 30 degree inclination line. So measure the angle between this and this is 30 degree. So make it 30 and press enter. Now I go to more option. I go to more option. Copy should be on. Copy should be on because I am copying this element. Copy should be on. And select corner, pick corner A and place it on 30-degree inclination line. So now go to rotate. Now copy should be off. Select the element to rotate. I am rotating this element. So this A is the center of the rotation, and I will choose AB line. I'm rotating like this. I'm rotating like this. So this is A. This is corner A. This is corner B. This is corner C. Let us arrange properly. This is my corner A. This is my corner B. And this is my corner C. Now the edge which is resting on HP, that is B dash of A dash or AB, is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. So we satisfy that conditions. Now complete the front view. Let us take a line, select a thin line from A dash, from B dash of A dash, draw horizontal projection line. From C dash, draw horizontal projection line. So from here, A dash, draw horizontal projection line. Then from B dash, draw horizontal projection, vertical projection line. From C dash, draw vertical projection line. It should be vertical line. Now complete the profile, complete the front view in the third position. Go to line and choose the thickness is 0.50. So join, say A, this is A dash. This is B dash. This is my C dash. So now go to naming, go to text, A dash and B dash and C dash. Just refresh. Select A and drag here. So this is my A dash. And select B. Just move here. This is my B dash. And move here. This is my C dash. So remove the unwanted lines, extra lines. I don't want this line. I don't want this line. So this is about a set square, 30 degree, 40 degree, 30, 60 set square of length 60 mm side is so kept such that the longest side is on HP. So here AB is the longest side which is kept on HP, making an inclination 30 degree to VP. So here AB is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. That set square itself is inclined at 45 degree to HP. See this set square ABC, A dash, B dash, C dash is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to HP. So we completed front and this is the front view and this is the top view of 30, 60 set square. So with this I complete this video. So thank you and thank you so much.